Rewrite the following sentences using so, that. Rajesh is too timid to talk to his headmaster. Rajesh is so timid that he cannot talk to his headmaster. Rajesh is so timid that it is difficult for him to talk to his headmaster. The bag is too heavy for me to lift. The bag is so heavy for me that it is difficult to lift. The bag is so heavy for me that I cannot lift. This news is too good to be true. This news is so good that it can be true. He is too young to travel alone. He is so young that he cannot travel alone. The case is too urgent to be postponed. The case is so urgent that it cannot be postponed. The case is so urgent that it is difficult to be postponed. He was too late to catch the train. He was so late that he cannot catch the train. Or, he was so late that it is difficult for him to catch the train. It is too late for us to start a new lesson. It is so late for us that we cannot start a new lesson. It is so late for us that it is difficult for us to start a new lesson. Nick was too depressed to keep himself alive. Nick was so depressed that he decided not to keep himself alive. The girl was too freaked to be there driving the car. The girl was so freaked that she could not be there driving the car. The luggage is too heavy for me to lift. The luggage is so heavy for me that I cannot lift. Victoria was too scared to speak out a word. Victoria was so scared that she cannot speak out a word. The village is too hilly to travel for the people. The village is so hilly that it is difficult to travel for the people. My father was too fast to catch up. My father was so fast that it is difficult catch up. My father was so fast that I couldn't difficult catch up. Robersh felt it was too early to meet Ray for a worthwhile dialogue. Robersh felt it was so early that he could not meet Ray for a worthwhile dialogue.
He is too generous to help the poor. He is so generous that he can help the poor. She is too young to get married. She is so young that she cannot get married. It was too difficult for women to become competent. It was so difficult for women that it was difficult for them to become competent. Or, it was so difficult for women that they worked hard to become competent. The village is too hilly to travel for the people. The village is so hilly that it is difficult to travel for the people. The narrator felt too lethargic to attend to his duties. The narrator felt so lethargic that he was not interested to attend his duties.